Hello, my name is Carl Butler, and I'm a student at Rio Grande University. I'm going to tell you why I believe that AI is beneficial to school systems. Some believe that using AI in the educational system can lead to cheating, academic dishonesty, and plagiarism. I'm going to go over three main points today why plagiarism is beneficial to the educational system. Those 3 points are how students and teachers use AI, how AI got introduced to the school systems, how AI is beneficial to students and teachers. As you as AI is used in many ways, even in the health care, such as drug discovery, diagnosis of disease, and clinical trials. They're also used to detect fraud and drive vehicles. This brings us to how AI got introduced to the educational system. It was first introduced in the educational system in the 1960s with the development of computer-based instructions systems. These systems included adaptive feedback and designed to enhance learning or provide interaction experiences. AI in the school system continues to become more and more advanced as years go on. In the 1990s and 2000s, computers became more accessible and intelligent tutor systems, becoming more widely adaptive. For instance, have you ever noticed when you're taking an online class, you're able to ask for help and it gives you an example of the problem or the solution that you're looking for. But if you still don't understand it, you can ask a bot who is a bot is a online chatting supported person, which is AI based, and you can ask it what you're looking for or how you worked on the problem. In recent developments in the 2020s, you have things like generated AI, which are large language models. Like Chat GBT is a significant turning point in development that you probably noticed that a lot of people use. It has advanced capabilities like understanding language and personal learning, automated grading, and lesson plans, which goes into how teachers and students use AI in school systems. As I said before, teachers use AI for auto grading, lesson planning, like planning out lessons to individuals who need help with tutoring. Students use it for citing papers and understanding lessons better and getting inspirations for projects. This also goes into how AI is beneficial to students and teachers. AI allows teachers to create a better learning platform for students. Understanding like some students struggle more than the other when it comes to learning. So teachers can use methods like creating a precise learning plan for that student. It also can generate learning plans for students with disabilities as well. Not just learning disabilities, but who can't really function as well as anyone else. These are a lot of outlets like scheduling learning plans and generating surveys and putting the data together to create a better learning outcome. So this means like putting together a lesson for each week for what's going to be the hardest, what's going to be the easiest, or what's gradually going to help them understand what they're learning and how to process it. Students can benefit from this because it creates a better learning environment. Having a lesson plan that you can understand and learn from. It also provides creativity like Cengage. Cengage is a form of AI. Having modules that can create videos and interaction videos where you can interact during the video and make sure you're like taking the right steps of learning what you're learning from like the books. It creates like it takes the books that you get from class and creates a learning platform. Students also use AI programs like Citing Machine and others to cite papers. They also use AI generated programs to give them ideas as well, or examples of how to do a problem in a certain way for them to understand. Students also use AI to do a lot of things like build build onto something. So like if they're stuck on a certain part of the project, they're able to use AI to help them create better ideas and more flow. The main use for AI in school systems is to prove a better way of learning and understanding. I went over the three main points, which are how our AI got introduced to school systems, how students and teachers use AI, how AI is beneficial to students and teachers. If you want a better learning environment for yourself and for your children, you want to make it easier and enjoyable for you to learn, I believe that AI is beneficial to the school systems. Yes, it can lead to a lot of academic dishonesty and plagiarism and cheating, but that's why rules are set in the beginning of class and during the syllabus to know that you will be held accountable if you're using it for the wrong use. So I believe that it's the way you use AI rather than AI itself being discreditable to the school system. When researching this speech, I looked at many articles and I came across 5 that helped me out very well. One of those 5s were Implementing Artificial Intelligence in Higher Education by Priscilla and Zahra. Another one was The Education of AI-Driven Educational Systems by Tony. And I have 3 more, which is A System Review of AI Role in Educational Systems by Ong Yang, and AI's Role and Application in the Educational System, Systematic Review by Feltman, and Investing the Use of AI in the Educational System by Maria. Thank you for listening to my speech. I hope you guys have a good day.